Welcome to Beat in a Bowl. Today we're going to be making cookies and cream pudding cookies. These are the ingredients you'll need.
So to start off, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So up next, you're going to want to gather and crush 12 chocolate sandwich cookies. We opted to put these into a bag so as to create less of a mess while smashing them. We decided to use a meat tenderizer, but really you can use whatever you use to smash things with, a rolling pin, baseball bat, whatever it's good for you.
Next, we're going to combine and measure out our dry ingredients. So to do this, you're going to want 2 1/4 cups of flour. With the flour, be sure you're scooping and then leveling out the amount of flour in the measuring cup so you get the correct amount. Next, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to the flour. For the salt, add a pinch of salt to the baking soda and flour. For us, we ended up using 1/4 teaspoon. Whisk to combine.
After your dry ingredients are well combined, we're going to start combining our wet ingredients. To do this, you're going to add your butter and sugar to the bowl and cream those together. After your sugars and butter are well combined, we're going to start adding our eggs to the mixture. Make sure your eggs are combined well into the mixture before adding your teaspoon of vanilla.
Once your wet ingredients are well combined, you're going to slowly add the dry ingredients to your mixer. We take a measuring cup and put a little bit of the flour mixture into the mixer. Once it's in, we turn the mixer on at a very low speed in short increments. This allows the flour and the wet ingredients to slowly combine without causing a mess. Continue this process until all the dry ingredients are well incorporated.
Up next, we're going to be adding what I like to call the good stuff. We're going to be adding our pudding mix to the mixer. Continuing with our good stuff, we're going to be folding in our chocolate sandwich cookies that we crushed up earlier out of frustration. Last but certainly not least, we're going to be adding our white chocolate chips. These add a nice texture to the cookie when you bite into them.
Once combined, spoon out your cookie dough onto trays. Be sure to leave 2 to 3 inches of space between each cookie dough ball. Once prepared, place into the oven and cook for 10 minutes or until they're done. The cookies will be done when the bottoms are golden brown and they no longer look raw. When they've achieved this look, be sure to take them out of the oven and let them sit on the tray for a few minutes. After they've cooled slightly, move the cookies to a cooling rack to complete the cooling process.
Once you're sure the cookies are fully cooled, take them off the rack, pour yourself some milk, and enjoy those bad boys. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave us a like below and subscribe to our channel for more videos.